In recent years, Bitcoin has taken the world by storm. We've all heard the stories, early adopters becoming millionaires, fortunes made overnight, and viral headlines claiming crypto is the new gold mine. But here's the big question. Is Bitcoin really a guaranteed ticket to wealth? Or is there more to the story? Today, we're breaking down the truth behind Bitcoin, debunking the biggest myths, and giving you the clarity you need to make smarter financial decisions. Before we ask whether Bitcoin can make you rich, let's quickly understand what it actually is. Bitcoin is a digital currency, a cryptocurrency, that lets people exchange money online without needing a bank or a central authority. It runs on something called a blockchain, which is basically a decentralized and transparent ledger that records every single transaction publicly and securely. Some people use Bitcoin to make payments, but most people, they buy it as an investment, hoping its price will rise so they can cash out for a profit. Now, let's be honest, the idea of becoming rich overnight is tempting. We've all seen those stories of people who bought Bitcoin for just a few dollars and became millionaires. But here's what most people forget. These are the rare exceptions. For every single success story, there are countless people who lost money due to crypto's extreme ups and downs. And this brings us to the biggest truth about Bitcoin. It is volatile. Very, very volatile. Bitcoin's price can surge sky high one day and then crash the very next. This kind of volatility often triggers emotional decisions, panic buying when prices are high, fear selling when they drop, and gambling with money that people simply can't afford to lose. Bitcoin isn't magic money. It comes with some very real risks. First off, it's highly speculative. Unlike stocks or bonds, Bitcoin doesn't have an underlying business, revenue stream, or physical asset backing its value. Its price is driven almost entirely by supply and demand. Second, regulations are still uncertain. Governments all over the world are trying to figure out how to handle crypto. Any new law or rule could dramatically impact Bitcoin's price for better or worse. And finally, cyber threats are real. Bitcoin wallets can be hacked. If you lose your password or private keys, you lose everything permanently. There's no bank to call to get it back. So let's separate some facts from fiction. Myth number 1. Bitcoin is a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, some people have made huge profits, but many have also lost big. Real crypto investing requires research, patience, and a healthy tolerance for risk. It's not a lottery ticket. Myth number 2. Bitcoin is completely anonymous. That's not quite true. While your name isn't attached to your transactions, they are all public on the blockchain. Wallet addresses can often be traced back to individuals through various means. It's more pseudonymous than anonymous. Here's the truth. Bitcoin alone will probably not make you wealthy. Your mindset will. Instead of chasing quick gains and overnight riches, it's better to focus on long-term financial habits. First, educate yourself. Understand crypto, the markets, and the basics of personal finance. Knowledge is your strongest investment tool. Second, diversify your investments. Never put all your money into one place, especially something as volatile as crypto. A healthy portfolio balances crypto with other assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or even just high-yield savings accounts. Third, set realistic goals. Plan your investments month by month. Small, consistent steps are what build real, sustainable wealth. And finally, be patient. Markets will always rise and fall. True wealth grows slowly, not overnight. As a wise investor once said, Bitcoin should be part of a broader financial strategy, not the entire strategy. It's clear that Bitcoin and the broader crypto world aren't going anywhere. Major companies are starting to accept it, big institutional investors are buying it, and more people are adopting digital currencies worldwide. But potential does not eliminate risk. Always do your own thorough research before investing, and never ever put in money you can't afford to lose. So, is Bitcoin right for you? It can create wealth, but it is not a guaranteed shortcut. If you do choose to invest, remember these key takeaways. Educate yourself, diversify your portfolio, think long-term, stay patient, and make your decisions based on logic, not hype. Because ultimately, your financial success is not about luck. It's about knowledge, strategy, and consistency. Whether or not you invest in Bitcoin, your wealth journey depends on you. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay informed, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.